Good afternoon and welcome from the new international train station in Bangkok. It's Tuesday the 11th of February 2025 and the station is not far from Chatuchak, so that's a location it's in. It's the first time I've used this train station and the first time I've gone directly to Laos. So the Bergen's packed, I'm away for a week and we'll see how this new train station works out. With a bit of luck it should be easy to get through all the security and I should be laid in my bed by 9 o'clock. But let's check it out and see what's going on. So we're just about to board now. You can board your train about 20 minutes before departure time. One thing I would say is if you were hoping to have a couple of cold beers on train, there's no alcohol for sale within the terminal, so just make sure you grab a 4-pack before you get here. Tickets were 784 baht and that's for a single bunk, so you get a bed with that. I'm not sure if there's shower facilities, but I'm pretty sure there'll be, washing facilities. But for 784 baht you can get from Bangkok to Laos, and we'll see how the journey goes. So these are the second class sleeper pods. The upstairs one's a little bit cheaper and the down bunk is about 20 baht more. But they're pretty good, they're alright. They'll be comfortable for tonight anyway. Good morning and welcome from Vientiane. So just stopped, I think this is the last station before we head off to Laos. And it wasn't a bad night's sleep, to be honest. I'm quite impressed with price at service, so really happy. There ain't no showers, it is still quite a dated train. But it's not bad, you've got your own bed. Only thing is you've sort of got to get in your bed quite early. So there's you can't really sit up for long like on the old train. You used to be able to sit up until about 11 o'clock and then they'd change it into beds. But that's not possible. Apart from that, it's a decent journey and I had a decent sleep. And it feels nice and fresh up here, but I don't know if that'll last. So we've just got to Nong Khai now, and this is going to be passport control. So I think we just go through passport control, the train moves forward, and then we get back on the train. Or that's what I believe anyway. So let's see what happens. So we've come through immigration now, so that's just checked out of Thailand, so we're sort of in no man's land. This diesel pulled forward, pulled train a little bit further up onto this platform, and that's it, we're good to go. Really simple, really painless, about 20 minutes waiting at immigration, and then all good to go. So jump back on train now, and then we're on his way to Laos. And we're just about to approach and cross the mighty Mekong River. And that's us officially in Laos. Right, and that's us just through passport control in Vientiane. Really simple. A couple of tips: make sure you bring a pen, your own pen, because you'll have a couple hundred people that are all trying to fill in a customs form with 10 pens that don't work, that are all chained to a table. $40 for passport on arrival. You just need a passport photo, 40 USD, and they'll give you a visa straight here in Vientiane. Really simple, and literally looking now, so 12 hours and 15 minutes we left Bangkok, and we're now in Vientiane. For the price, it's really worth it. The most expensive seats are still just over 800 baht. Yeah, good experience, and would recommend it to anybody. If you want a cheap way to get to Laos, experience something different, give this a blast. If you've got all the way to end the video, thanks for watching. Any questions, just leave me in comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Cheers.